Yeah, so these are the ACOM lots. Yan, ACOM lots. So right there is the Miriam College. So it's actually designed by architect Lord Calma, and it won awards in London. So yeah, you see the views there. Super nice. And yung country club is right there. There yung country club, samay there. Then LaSalle Botanical Gardens is gonna be there also. Dun pa, samay there. LaSalle Botanical Gardens. So as you see, it's surrounded by multiple institutions talaga. So lakas ng property appreciation yan when everything comes into play na. Then an Ateneo is gonna be here also. Sa may Eastcom naman siya. So it's gonna be sa may there. Eastcom, kabila na siya. There. But hindi pa siya, proposed pa lang eh. But they're sure they're coming in and it's not sure where pa lang. This Holy Angels there also, mas malayo pa. So yeah, out of all the commercial lots in the area, A block talaga is the best. Kasi as you see, nice views. That's actually SETEX there. And SETEX yan. Then it's right beside Miriam. And LaSalle Botanical Gardens is gonna be there. So it's gonna be there. Laki siya, 25 hectares. So it's gonna be super daming schools. There's gonna be a garden also. That's not part of LaSalle, but LaSalle will also maintain. So super full of greenery this area.